What's up, Atlanta YouTube? It's your boy Tiger Brad, and I'm doing a little exploring here with the waterfalls or whatever in this area. Look at that. That's nice here. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Ain't this just a beautiful sight? This is actually my first time being down here. Oh, this is pretty. The symbols right here, too. Don't know what they mean, but they look really cool. No life warning, no lifeguard, no driving. This is really nice right here, y'all. And some more symbols and more water. All right, we're getting down a little bit lower, y'all. All right, come with me, YouTube. Come live with me in Atlanta, YouTube. That's just beautiful waterfalls. We're going to continue here.